Hello everyone. So I have received some feedbacks about my getting started videos, and they were not very beginner friendly, and I didn't even show the full process as well. So today I'll be re-uploading that video, you can say. But this video is for people who are getting started now. So to get started, you'll need a web browser, of course. I have used Chrome. You can use Microsoft Edge or Mozilla Firefox, whatever you want. I have used Chrome here, so I have opened up Chrome and went to google.com, and let's go ahead and download VS Code. I have even uninstalled VS Code from my PC to demonstrate it better. All right, so if you are a Windows user, you'll be clicking here. If you are a Debian or Ubuntu user, which are Linux kernel, or Red Hat, Fedora for here, Mac here. All right, so let's go ahead and download for Windows, I mean. Okay, thanks for downloading VS Code. All right, the download is almost done. Yes, so let's open up. It has opened up. I accept to the agreement. Yes. So why do I want to download it? Let's keep it in C. Okay, in C. Let's go. Don't create a start menu folder. Okay. uh, Remember to tick these boxes. Open with code action. These will be of help later on. So yes, I have started installing VS Code. Now wait a little bit. Wait for it to open things up and install the VS Code. All right, so launch VS Code. Yes. Okay. So the VS Code has opened in YouTube demo folder. This is my folder. Let's close it and let's go to the folder. So YouTube demo is my folder. You can use any folder you want, and let's click open with code. So now the VS Code will be opened in that directory. As you can see, we are in the YouTube demo folder, and we have index.html and styles.css, both of the files here. All right, so now we'll install some extensions. You can hover here and search for extensions. So let's go ahead, and I have already installed some of them. You will be installing auto rename tag. How to install, you might wonder. So let's try one which is not installed here. Let's go ahead and install Microsoft Edge tools. Okay, no, not that one. Let's use debugger for Microsoft. I mean Firefox. All right, then click install. It will start installing and it will be loading here. So it has already installed and it has been enabled by default. You can disable it here or uninstall it here. So in the same way, you will be installing these extensions. Auto rename tag, this one is recommended. Code snap is not necessary for now, but we'll be needing it later. You can install it if you want. Debugger for Firefox, yes, use. No, this one's not needed, so my bad. .env, this will be needed later on, not now, but you can install it if you want. This one is a theme. You can use it if you want. I use this theme. These are for later parts, we don't need it. File and folder icons, you can install them if you want. Then HTML CSS support, will be needing this now. JavaScript code snippets, you can use it if you want. I mean, you can install it if you want. We'll be needing it later. We will not be learning JavaScript for now. We'll be learning HTML and CSS some more, and then we'll jump into JavaScript. Live server, yes, this one's needed. You will have to install it if you want to follow along with me. You should be using Prettier, so install Prettier as well. The rest of the stuff will be, I will be recommending to you later on. You don't need it right away. You can use the color highlight as well. Yeah, so these are the extensions you will be installing. So how to install? Just find out the extension I have told about and click install here or here. Either one works. And then you can go ahead and use the index.html and styles.css and follow along my HTML playlist or CSS playlist. Not or actually, my bad. First the HTML playlist and then the CSS playlist. And if you don't understand anything, or if you are having any issues installing VS Code and getting started to coding, comment down below, let me know, and I will be replying to you to help. I'll be making sure you get the installation correctly. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. And I received the feedback that the previous getting started video wasn't HD. This one is HD. So I hope you guys will have no problem getting started now. Uh, all right, go check out my HTML series and then CSS series. And good luck. Thank you.